Ideoli has established a strong manufacturing footprint in key markets around the world. Our typical cross-the-world trip includes overseeing 20-plus production runs in just about 4 days.
Just got off a 14-hour flight, and we are in the city of Shanghai of in-town meetings at our office here, then with the client, and then off to our factory to oversee some production that we have going on.
Today, we are on site at our factory to give you a glimpse into our manufacturing capabilities of custom light fixtures and furniture. These custom light fixtures and furniture are for international retail, restaurant, and commercial clients.
Shanghai is a second home to me and to Ideoli. We do a lot of our business here. We've established our Asian footprint primarily in the Shanghai area.
At Ideoli, we are involved with every step of the process.
We have full production lines going on, non-stop, 6 days a week, producing several thousand units a day. So we're excited with what's going on. We have full-time coverage over here with our local team and with U.S. presence.
It's amazing what you can accomplish in a few days. At Ideoli, we strive to connect globally. We're off to our next location.